Good morning, children. You have learned what is a quadratic equation and what is its degree and how many roots or solutions or zeros it has. Okay, in the previous sessions. But today, let us learn a method to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, the roots of a quadratic equation are found by graphical method and quadratic formula method, splitting the middle term method, or factorization method. Okay, but in this session we will see how the roots of a quadratic section are found by using the quadratic formula. Let us start the session. See here, to find the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by quadratic formula. Okay, the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here, you know what is root of an equation? It is that value of x which makes the LHS equal to RHS. But how to find that value of x or variable? By using the quadratic formula. Here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of a quadratic equation, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So we have expressed the root x in terms of a, b, c of the quadratic equation as x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, here x can be equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is called the quadratic formula. Since the degree of the quadratic equation is 2, we will have two roots. Okay, let us see how those two roots are found by quadratic formula. Okay, let us have an example. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Compare this quadratic equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, where a is 2 and b is minus 5 and c is plus 3. Okay, so I got the values of a, b, c, and we know that the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. I separately find out b square minus 4ac. Besides, see here, b square minus 4ac is minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Minus 5 square is plus 25. Now minus into plus is minus, into plus is minus. So minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Thus it is 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. So children, b square minus 4ac is equal to 1. If I take the square root of b square minus 4ac, it is square root of 1. But square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. Did you understand? Now I will come to the main formula. X is equal to minus b. So it is minus, and b means minus 5. Plus or minus, and this b square minus 4ac has already been calculated here. Its value is plus or minus 1. Therefore, directly I put plus or minus 1 for root of b square minus 4ac. Now, 2 into a, 2 into 2, right? Now, 2 2s are 4 here. Thus, when this minus 5 comes out, it becomes plus 5. So, x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 4 or 5 minus 1 by 4. So, x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 4 becomes 6 by 4 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So, x is equal to 3 by 2 is one root and I call this as alpha. Right? If x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 4. See here, x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 upon 4 is 1. So, another root of the equation is x is equal to 1 and I call it as beta. So, children, by using the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus ac b square minus 4ac upon 2a, we became able to find out the two roots of the given equation. X is equal to 3 by 2 and 1 are the roots of the given equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay. Similarly, you can take many more examples to find the roots of the equation by quadratic formula. Hope you have learned this session and the concept discussed in this session. Remember the quadratic formula and take many more examples of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and find out the roots and then go for verification whether the found out roots are the roots of the equation or not. And one more thing, you should be able to tell the nature of the roots also. That is, the roots are whether real number or not, and whether the roots are equal or not, or whether the roots are distinct. Okay? Hope children, you have learned the concept of today's session, and tomorrow we will see with the new concept. Thank you. Goodbye.